Hey guys, Tony here. Good afternoon actually. This is going to be a relatively quick TA video on Bitcoin. I don't think I'm going to take too long on this. Currently, I am running, so if you guys hear me a little bit out of breath, that's just because I'm on the treadmill. But really quick, I want to let you guys know that we are weakening. Like I told you guys, I think my last Bitcoin TA video, and for some reason it's not like showing up on my TikTok, or I don't know what's going on, but you guys can go on YouTube to check it out. But we are losing a lot of bull momentum right now for Bitcoin. And as soon as we cross, which I think is going to happen today or tomorrow, I do think Bitcoin's going to go back down and actually test the lows of 33K and possibly test the lows of, I want to say it might actually go to 29K sometime between today and like Sunday or something. So as you guys already know, I am shorting Bitcoin on my Forex account. That's my daughter, if you guys heard that. But we crossed the 200 MA, went to almost lows of 29K, rebounded off the 200 MA, and then we're actually currently going back down. So again, on the weekly, still pretty bearish. Basically every chart right now is bearish. And you guys know that the main chart that I'm looking at right now is the monthly. The monthly, we closed the month of May. What are we in? May. So we are going to close the month of May on bearish territory, which is kind of sucky, because once that actually happens, you guys can see that every single time we've closed bearish, we actually stay bearish for at least like a year or so. Or in the case of, you know, the very last time this happened was back here, which was only about 60 days. As of right now, the closing of this month is barely going to be the first month we close bear. So I think minimum we are going to be looking at June as another bear month. I don't think this is the bottom. I do think we are going to keep going down after this month, because obviously we're going to close bearish. And I would not be surprised, even right now, with another bear month, I would actually not be surprised if we actually do end up hitting my previous price target on Bitcoin between 17 and like 20K. I think 25K is more than reachable now. But like I said, we are going to cross on the downside probably today or tomorrow on the day chart. It looks like we are going to go down. So just letting you guys know, be prepared. I don't think the crypto market overall is going to tank or go to zero. I mean, I'm definitely bullish long term on crypto, but short term, especially this month, next month, I'm definitely 100% bearish. And I would not be surprised if we do actually hit that price target that I had, you know, back in February, of Bitcoin going down to previous 2017 highs of like 17K to 20K. So I'll see you guys later.